Hello and welcome back. And today we're just continuing on in the Max Waters Very Easy Sudoku Volume 1. There is a link down in the description, or you can find it on Amazon. I do make a small commission from any sales. All right, looks like today we're going to be doing number 197. Start with this row here. Looks like we're missing 3, 4, and 5. There's no help here. 3, 4, 5. We've got a 3 here. So 4, 5. And a 3 and 4 here. So that makes this our 5, 4, 3. For this row, looks like we're missing 4, 6, and 9. We've got a 6 here. So 4, 9, 4 here, so 6, 9, and a 9 here, and the 4 there. So that makes this our 6, 9, 4. For this row, we're missing 1, 2, and 7. We've got a 1 and 2 here, so this is our 7. 2 here makes this our 1 and 2. If we look at this column, we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We're missing 6, 7, and 8. We've got a 7 and 8 here, so this is our 6. A 7 here, so 8, 7. For this box now, we're missing a 1 and a 4. We've got a 1 here, so 4, 1. For this row now, we're missing 6 and 8. We've got an 8 here, so 6, 8. For this column, we're missing 1, 2, and 9. We've got a 1 and 2 here, so this is our 9. A 1 here, so 2 and 1. For this column, we're missing 4, 6, and 8. We've got a 4 here and an 8 here, so this is our 6. An 8 here, so 4, 8. For this box now, we're missing 3 and 7. We've got a 7 here, so 3, 7. For this box, we're missing 8 and 9. We've got an 8 here, so 9, 8. For this box, we're just missing a 5. For this row now, looks like we're missing 5 and 6. We've got a 6 here, so 5, 6. For this box, we're missing 2 and 5. We've got a 2 here, so 5, 2. For this box, we're just missing a 4. For this column now, we're missing a 1 and a 3. We've got a 3 here, so 1, 3. For this box, we're missing 5 and 7. We've got a 7 here, so 5, 7. To finish out this row, looks like we're missing a 4. For this column then, we're missing 7 and 9. We've got a 9 here, so 7, 9. For this box now, we're missing 5 and 6. We've got a 5 here, so 6, 5. And for this box, we're missing 2 and 8. We've got an 8 here, so 2 and 8. And there we have it for today's puzzle. Thank you so much for joining me again today. I hope you have a really good day, and I will see you back here tomorrow with our next puzzle.